Hello amazing people! Now you have the opportunity to see my brilliant new video about the movie, animation movie of DC, you know, with Superman and everything. Before Batman says some, talking about the devil, hey the Batman, how are you? Just nice to hear you in my ear. Yeah, what if they will see into the end? I don't know. I don't control minds. Right. You sure about that? Come on. Oh, hello again. Surprise, surprise. But now, the movie will talk about is Superman and Batman with Super Sons, the Battle of Super Sons. The title I think is a little different than what I'm talking, but I think it's Batman and Robin. I don't know if I have another one. Not Robin. Batman and Superman with the Super Sons, Battle of Super Sons, or something like that. I will put in the title, you know, because I'm forgetting the title already. Okay, before I forgot more things. Now, the movie starts like a Superman movie, with the story, right, from Krypton. He got to Earth, is found by an adopted family, but according to a scene, after the parents died, the Earth parents, he becomes Superman. Then joins Batman and tell Lois who he is, and they get married, and have a kid, have a son, right? And the son discover, right? He has superpowers, and is a son of Superman. So then Superman bring his son to Batman to discover more things, right? You will see the movie or already saw it. Comment below if you already saw what this movie is, an animated movie of DC. I think the animation ones are better than live action ones, but I still watch and rewatch the live action ones. But you know, these things, some things, you know. Now, of course, my score to this movie is 10. Obviously, I love it. My favorite superheroes are there. Some of them. Now, of course, the Super Sons, you know, the Robin and Jonathan Kent, the son, with the name of the adopted father of the Clark, right? It's Jonathan, right? Okay. And they both join together to fight the villain of this movie, basically the star, you know. You remember the Suicide Squad? Squad. I'm saying this word correctly? Or I'm pretending I'm mistaking in the word. Saying wrong. You choose to what is. If I'm pretending I'm saying wrong this. Okay. Now that movie has that star, right? That star from the stars and controlled mind. And my surprise was how we can control the mind of Batman and Superman. Come on. The other then they control it. Come on, they don't have mental defenses or something. Yeah, I know. I heard in the comics Superman has a martial arts and a mental way to protect himself, right? So how is being controlled, man? And about Batman, well, I watched that one with the Dark Side, and Batman was being controlled, right? So, yeah, I can't stand, right? And I don't like the animated movies. Watch all Saturdays, DC movie, sometimes during the week too, you know, sometimes. And I don't mind the 4 hours Snyder Cut, Justice League, neither. I watch it and rewatch it. Yeah, I had a lot of time. All Saturdays to watch the 4 hours movie. Well, that was long. I love long movies. Okay, what about you? Comment below. You like that long movies? I want to know. I want to know. Okay. Okay, let's try. Don't be creepy. But I'm curious, you know. Now, another thing. Can you help me have 1,000 subscribers? Well, my goal was 1,000, but we'll start when 1,000 before the year, you know. And can you help me with that? Come on, help me. I deserve it, man. You know, I work for you. We are entertainment, you know. I try make acting videos for you and edit during hours and hours. Yeah, I didn't sleep the last time I made acting video, and for 6 views. Okay. Well, well, YouTube is not TikTok, so YouTube is the king of videos. So must be different in the views number. So I don't have no more TikTok now, so something happened. So yeah. So what do you think? What you thought about this movie? Did you watch it already? If you don't, you go to watch. Okay, that's why I'm not telling that much about the movie. The details, you know. Go to watch. Go for it. Before Batman starts in my ear, please don't make him speak to me. Too late. Too late. What, Batman? I don't know. Did I watch it till now, the video? I mean, what? Aquaman did what? He probably was drunk, you know. He's always drinking, man.